What's up, guys? We will do the funny moments part 1.
Okay, let's go start. So, saan?
We have only got to do part 1. Any more? Hello.
No.
Guys. Oh my God. Babinidyo mo ba yan? Then let's go, guys. Cause we have more parts. This will end at funny moments part 8. That will be done. Let's just wait to open that door again. Wait, it's still open.
Oh, it's
No, guys.
it's starting.
No. Yes.
Oh my god. The door is closed. Okay. Door is closed.
We can climb up.
Yes.
So heavy. Perfect idea. I think this. What?
What?
No! No way! No way, guys! No! No way!
Oh!
No way! How are we gonna climb up the window? I have another window.
Oh, let's go.
That small window right there.
And
Oh, it's from the bathroom.
how to destroy them. Oh, I have idea. Let's go.
Ito na po yung mauod. Hello? Ano po mga bata po?
Okay.
Dito na po mag-deliver at uod po. Dito na po.
Init?
Dito na po, bilis. Bilis po. Bakit pala po may hangin? Pasapin ko po sa kanya. Pabukas na po. Hello? Hello po? Dito na po kami. Yung nag-ano po. Yung bibigay mga uod. Dito na po.
Delivery. Wait, off ko na. Okay, wait for part 2. Let's go.
So what's up, guys?
Okay.
We didn't make our plan, guys.
Okay, let's go to the next video.
Yeah. But please subscribe
Okay.
and please make a lot of likes. Give us a big thumbs up right in our eyes and faces. That's give it a big subscribe button and better smash that. Better punch that. Let's go something, guys.
Off ko na. Bye.
It's going to part 2.